Karyn Bryant for MMA H.E.A.T. I'm here with Shea Mills, and Shea's taking on Rory MacDonald at UFC 145. And I want to know how you feel about this fight. Everybody's talking about Rory. Next big thing, Rory this, Rory that, Rory this, Rory that. How do you feel, because you're also in this fight?
I'm quite happy about that, to be honest. You know, the way I see it is the more they talk and the more I do well is the more they'll be talking about me the next time. So, you know, carry on, keep going.
Well, you do have the opportunity to be a bit of a spoiler here for them.
Yeah, definitely. That's the way I've always seen this fight. Not a lot of people over here know about me. So, yeah, I'm just here to shock people and just show them what I'm about.
Well, you said not a lot of people know about you. We should back up and say that you are a British fighter, and you were on, what, a 5 or 6 fight win streak before entering the UFC?
4, I think it was 4.
And then you won your first fight very quickly. So, but what should we know about you? I mean, if somebody were to say, oh, you know, Shea is a this, he's that, he's this, he's that, what kind of fighter are you primarily? I'm an
MMA guy. You know, I'm not just a striker that everybody's seen in my last fight. You know, I do it all. You know, and you know, it just so happened that the last fight stayed stood up, so I finished it there. But, you know, I train everything.
But it does seem like the British fighters have more of a history in striking and boxing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely. You know, back home, especially where I come from, everybody's a boxer. You know, everybody's trained boxing. Everyone says they're a boxer, loves boxing. But, you know, there's a lot of guys switching to MMA now. Even, like, people that have been boxing for 10, 20 years, they're coming over to MMA. So, yeah, but I think that's where the history comes from. A lot of guys in the UK all started in boxing, or their father was a boxer, or their granddad. So, yeah. Well,
there was a long tradition, but also maybe since Ricky Hatton isn't fighting as much anymore, because for so long he was kind of the hero to many. Maybe perhaps it's time for a new transition into MMA.
Yeah, definitely. You know, I'm still a fan of boxing personally. I just like watching any good fights, really. But yeah, I think it's definitely time for the MMA guys to shine now.
So what do you think is the best strategy against Rory? Because he is well-rounded.
Yeah, definitely. Literally, I know it sounds boring or stupid, but literally I'm just going to go in there and just see what happens, basically. Like, I know he's well-rounded, so we've got a plan for everything, really. So I don't think against a guy like that you can have a set strategy.
Are you the type, though, that looks at footage, or do you just kind of go in knowing what you're good at?
Yeah, really. You know, I'll take a look, but I'm not the type to sit down for hours and say, oh, he does this, and oh, he does that. And no, I'll just watch a few videos and then just go in there.
Well, he's got GSP in his corner. Who do you have, mister?
I've got those 3 over there. Paul Sutherland, my head coach, Chico Mendez, my BJJ coach, and Craig Rutherford, who's my conditioning coach.
Very nice. Now, I did notice on my on some bio information I got from you that you speak Patois. So are you Jamaican?
Half.
Okay, me too.
Yeah, my mum's born in Jamaica, so. Yeah.
All right, mine too. Where's she from?
Well, she's from St. Catherine, but she lived in Kingston and then come to UK.
All right, well, we're going to have to talk off camera. We might be related.
Definitely.
Awesome. Well, good luck to you, Shea. Thanks for talking.
Thank you very much. Anytime. I'm Shea Mills, and you're watching MMA Heat.